Hi, this is Carl Fleming with MarineMax Stuart. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2021 Scout 305 LXF. This particular boat is equipped with twin 300 horsepower Mercury Verados. Those are the new V8 Mercuries. Has the joystick piloting as well. You can see in the back here, storage built in, whether it be for fishing tackle or whatever you may want to store in there. There's more in the leaning post here also. We've got a large live well. Everything's easy to get to. This boat also has a built-in side dive door, really easy to get in and out, whether fishing, swimming. Very nice feature to have. We make our way to the helm here, and you can see the joystick piloting. Autopilot's built into that. Very nice. This boat's got twin 12-inch Garmin's on it, Garmin VHF. This boat also has digital switching, so you can control any of the systems on the boat through the Garmin. We make our way forward here. There is a berth in there if someone does want to get out of the weather, cool down a little bit. Vacuum flush head in there also. Plenty of seating up in the bow here. A very comfortable boat. Bunch of storage here underneath this front lounger. Storage under all these front seats as well. Anchor windlass standard. And you can see we've got some combination rod and cup holders in the back. Again, my name is Carl Fleming with MarineMax Stuart. If you'd like more information on this boat, my number is 772-349-4178.